Greetings everyone, welcome back to Cooking on Easy. Today I'm making Chengdu chicken. Here are a list of ingredients. I came across this recipe from an old Chinese cookbook by Lan Meijun. Similar to Kung Pao chicken, Chengdu chicken is a spicy and numbing stir-fried dish originated in the province of Sichuan. It has an extra depth of flavor from the fermented bean paste, or doubanjiang. And after trying it out, it has become one of my go-to chicken stir-fry dish whenever I crave for something spicy. Like all stir-fry dishes, the actual cooking time only takes about 2 to 3 minutes, so we must prepare all the ingredients first. I have some boneless chicken leg meat here that I will cut them into small cube-sized pieces. There are no rules on what shape to cut them, so feel free to cut them into whatever shape you desire. However, as the dish comes together in minutes, I will suggest smaller sized pieces so it cooks faster. Once we have cut the chicken, we're gonna marinate it with some salt and potato starch. The potato starch will help with the chicken pieces brown easier without causing it to dry out, so don't skip out this step. Here are some Taiwanese green chili. These are not in the original recipe, but I really like the taste of them, so I'm gonna add them in. They're not spicy at all and have a taste profile similar to green bell pepper, so if you're looking to try this recipe yourself, you can substitute it with the green bell peppers. All I'm going to do is roughly chop them into small pieces, then we can set them aside and move on to other ingredients. To build on the flavor, I'm going to add in some garlic, ginger, and fresh chili. For the garlic and ginger, we just need to roughly mince it. For the chili, I'm going to remove the seeds and chop them into small pieces. You can keep the seeds in if you want it extra spicy, but since the fermented bean paste is providing a lot of spiciness already, I'm going to remove the seeds. For the sauce, we're going to mix in soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, fermented bean paste or doubanjiang, dark vinegar, Szechuan Pepper Oil, and some sesame oil, finally a dash of water. Dark vinegar can be substituted with any kind of distilled vinegar, traditionally rice wine vinegar, but use whatever you have. For the Szechuan Pepper Oil, I happen to have a jar of pre-infused oil, but if you don't, you can easily infuse some by gently heating some Szechuan peppercorn in hot oil. Finally, I'm gonna prepare the green onions. Here's the way I like to cut the green onions. I slice them horizontally along the grains first, then chop them vertically into small pieces. The size does not matter very much, so you can cut them into whatever size you prefer. However, in terms of flavor, I like to separate out the green and the white part of the green onion. I brown the white part and use the green part like a herb. Now we have finished our prepping, we can begin the stir fry. In a pan with high heat, I'm going to add in the marinated chicken piece first to brown them. When you add in the chicken pieces, make sure to stir them around, otherwise they might just clump together. Once the chicken has browned to your liking, add in ginger, garlic, and chili, and the white part of the green onions, and cook them until fragrant. Next, I'm adding in the Taiwanese green chili and giving it a toss. Finally, I'm gonna add in the sauce and stir it constantly to make sure the chicken pieces are well coated. Let it cook for about 1 minute, or until you have reduced the sauce by about 1/3. Then you can turn off the heat. I like to also add in a splash of Shaoxing wine at this point. It enhances the flavor and complexity of the dish. While it is still hot, time to plate up. Chengdu chicken pairs very well with steamed white rice because of its strong flavors. If you like Kung Pao chicken, then the taste will be immediately familiar to you. But with the addition of the doubanjiang, you will be surprised by the extra depth of flavor it lends to the dish. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it and maybe give it a try. Leave a comment if you have any question about my recipe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.